because electrons flow that way.
No.
The electrons are flowing from black to red.
So it'll go even faster once it reaches that?
Yes, as they get closer.
So the bigger, oh, it's like production. The bigger it gets, the faster it goes.
So we are growing metal. Landon, what do you think about that, buddy?
I think it's very cool.
Can you explain how it works?
No.
Do your best. Use the word electron somewhere in your explanation.
The electrons travel in the metal, and the closer it gets to that side, the faster it will grow.
Good job. And what's happening inside of the metal ions? What are they doing?
They're growing.
They're grabbing onto the electron that the wire is putting in. When they grab onto them,
I didn't think it would look this beautiful.
it creates a bond. It looks kind of alive.
No, it's like a tree.
Yeah. Like a tree. Oh, it even has leaves on the tree. That is wild.
What do you mean?
All the little dendrites that are growing out of the main.
No,
the main
those are the
branches.
little branches.
Ah, baby branches.
I take my clothes off now.
That's fine. Yeah.
Get off.
Well, cool. We have done it. Landon, you have completed your first chemistry experiment. What do you got to say for yourself?
This feels way better without the stuff.
Famous words.